Pretty good, right? Had the feds snip your anklet off for me. She handed you over on a platter.
That's great. Good luck for a kid having a year.
That old cat-free man. A lot. Could have put you in thunder. But then you had to go and rip me off for what? 500 grand.
All right, Jeff.
Hey.
Normally I kill people for that sort of thing. But today's your lucky day. You get to make it up to me.
Man, when